Hey guys, so I'm just doing a quick update video on my Motomaster Eliminator. It's a battery booster pack with a built-in air compressor. This is the 400 peak battery amps and 700 cranking assist amps booster pack. So I've had this for approximately 13 months now. Quickly give a quick demo. To use the booster pack to boost a vehicle, position and you connect your this is your battery meter, so 3 lights, or when it's showing green it's fully charged. To use the USB port, press this button and you have the 12 volt plug and the USB socket. On the back is for your air compressor. This is to turn it on and off, and your PSI indicator, and a nice little optic too is the light on the side. Now my only issue with this is I tend to leave it in my vehicle. I would sooner have it in my vehicle ready to use than sitting in my home on a constant charge. So this does sit in my vehicle 99.9% of the time. One thing I have noticed, here in Canada, the temperature can get quite cold and it can go below -30. What I do every week or two is I'll bring it in the house and put it back on the charger just to top it up. If not, I notice that the battery will actually drop down to the first light again, so it will be on a low position. So I like to have this fully charged in the vehicle. Again, I like to have it sitting in my vehicle and not in the house. Other than that, it's worked great. It's always been able to boost my vehicles, and we've even boosted a diesel truck with it. I've used the air compressor, again, many times. That's the end. As well, on some longer trips, if all our ports are used in the car, I've actually used those too to charge the tablets. So it comes in handy that way too. Again, this is just a quick update video. Again, it's about 13 months old. Still works great. I have no complaints whatsoever with it. It's worth every penny. Again, this was on sale for $99.99. We pay 15% tax here in Canada, in my province. So it came to $115. I believe this is regular $200, so it was 50% off purchase on at Canadian Tire. Again, do I recommend this? Totally. It's one of those things, if you have to boost your vehicle once or twice in the middle of nowhere, it's more than paid for itself many times over compared to calling a tow truck. Again, the battery seems to be holding up quite well. I have no issues with the air compressor. Light still works, all the ports work, the switches and everything seem like they're well built. The cables have quite a bit of clamping force on it, so no issues with the springs inside. My only complaint, and it's a very minor complaint, is when you're using the air compressor, it certainly takes a little bit to pump up a tire, especially if it is flat. However, it does pump it up no problem. Again, the best thing for that would be your actual air compressor itself, and not an air pump that this has. And that's your plug-in port, so you can charge it at home. And this is how you charge it at home. You just plug in an extension cord, and as you can see, when it's plugged in, it's only showing 2 lights. The green's not on yet. So this does take a fair amount of time to fully charge. So I'll leave this plugged in overnight, and it will be fully charged for the morning. And then it will be all set to go back in the truck again. Anyways guys, this is just a short review video. Again, I've had this for 13 months and I've had 0 issues with it, other than every once in a while you got to bring it in and charge it back up, but that's like anything with a built-in battery. What I'll do is I'll probably do another review in another few months. I like to do these reviews because we can actually see what the long-term product satisfaction is on something such as this. I had an older one that lasted a few years and then the battery died, and at that point it's cheaper just to get a new unit. Anyways guys, thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, post them below. If not, you may want to consider subscribing to my YouTube channel, and if you do, make sure you hit that bell notification. Anyways guys, thanks for watching, take care, have a great day.